Just about ready to go here in Lubbock, Texas.
Hey, all week we talked about doing little things right. Y'all got it? All smart football, all day. Today is payday. Have fun, cut it loose. Let's play smart.
Hey, family on three. 1, 2, 3, family.
Play smart, play hard. We gotta capitalize though, right? D is getting 3 and out, special teams playing good. We gotta go score offensively. Okay?
I saw him trying to get to the sideline, so I was trying to get over there, and you cut hands right downhill.
Colbert on the run, he can't get away. Tony Jones with the sack. Got a couple of sacks last week.
Oh yeah! Boy! Oh! Touchdown! Yes, sir! Let's go!
They go to Siraj Thompson, and Thompson has his first career touchdown.
First legs, baby! First legs! Congratulations, baby!
Tim they're playing some man, right? We go Tim they're playing some man, so we go search, switch, you just see it, all right? Search, switch, we're trying to push them and give those guys a chance.
Bro, number 12 is literally on his heels every time back.
Man, 30 yards out.
I know, all I gotta do is boom, 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 and go.
Antoine Wesley breaking away. Antoine Wesley will take it to the house.
All year long, so much bread to be made.
We're trying to jump over the tile, huh? Hey, baby. Good job, baby. I know you're tired.
That is intercepted.
Jordan Hoy intercepted by number 20, Adrian Fry, and the Red Raider touchdown. Big Natfield's extra point try is good. Our score with
Garrett will air this one out.
That was my first touchdown too, so yeah.
On a 77-0 victory for Texas Tech here in their home opener for Cliff Kingsbury.